In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image to vector in Affinity. Vector tracing turns a pixel image into clean, scalable shapes you can edit, recolor, and resize without losing quality. If you've ever tried to enlarge a logo or a sketch and it turned blurry, this process fixes that by rebuilding the artwork with crisp curves. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. Make sure you have your document open with the image you want to convert already on the canvas. Now click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. That tells Affinity which object you're about to trace. Next, look to the top of the screen for the vector menu and click it. From there, choose Image Trace. This opens the trace controls where you'll shape how the vector is generated. Don't worry if it looks technical at first, two sliders make most of the difference. Begin with Edge Threshold. This tells Affinity how strong an edge must be in the original image to be considered part of the trace. If you lower the threshold, the trace will pick up more fine details and faint edges, which can be great for intricate drawings but may include noise or grain. If you raise the threshold, the trace becomes more selective, ignoring weak edges and focusing on bolder outlines, which often produces a cleaner, simpler result. A good approach is to start in the middle and nudge it up or down while watching the preview. Then, adjust curve fitting tolerance. This controls how smoothly Affinity approximates the paths. A lower tolerance hugs the original shapes closely, preserving tiny quirks and corners, but it can create many nodes. A higher tolerance simplifies and smooths the curves, which is ideal for logos or icons where you want clean, minimal geometry. Balance detail with simplicity so the artwork looks intentional and is easy to edit later. To compare your results as you refine, switch between the view options. No split shows only the traced result. Split view lets you compare the original and the vector side by side or across a divider. And mirror view flips which side displays which, helping you focus on specific areas. Toggle these as you tweak the sliders so you can judge accuracy without distractions. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Apply. Your image is now converted to vector curves you can scale infinitely, recolor, or edit with node tools. If needed, you can organize shapes, adjust fills and strokes, and prepare the art for export to formats like SVG or PDF. That's all there is to it. Clean, flexible vector art from a single image ready for your next project.